Hello, today we're trying to answer the question, what the truck is an ETF? And this is a continuation of our series on investing for beginners. As always, we're here to crack your financial sky with information. So hopefully we're helping you guys out. So hit the subscribe, give us a like. As always, leave a comment. They are greatly appreciated. Okay, let's start with some key facts. So an exchange traded fund, or ETF, is a diversified portfolio of securities constructed using an index approach. So what is an index? An index is a measurement of a piece of the broader stock market. It is constructed from a group of selected stocks, so typically a weighted average. It is used by investors and financial managers to describe the market and to compare the returns of specific investments. An ETF is similar to a traditional managed fund. However, an ETF is traded on an exchange. In Australia, it's the ASX, and you can buy and sell these ETFs just the same as any other share on the exchange. So in broad terms, most ETFs aim to closely track the performance of a given index or asset class and provide the returns of that index or asset class back to the investor, obviously less any fees, so cost of management of the index. So in Australia, ordinary ETFs are typically passive investments that track an asset or market index, for example, the ASX 200. Australian share index, so you can buy an ETF. One of the better ETFs to track the ASX 200 is A200. So that's just an example of something that tracks an index. If an investment is called an active ETF, then the fund manager is actively trying to outperform the market or index to achieve a different investment objective. See other exchange traded products for information on active ETFs. So pretty much that's kind of like a case specific type of thing. So we're starting to see some more active ETFs in the market now, but a lot of them are junk anyway, but something for you guys to have a look at anyway. So I think the key thing for ETFs and the average investor is the simplicity. So ETFs allow investors instant exposure to a range of investment strategies, geographic regions and asset classes, and can be bought and sold simply as buying any other type of share. So liquidity, you can buy and sell quite rapidly. So ETFs are traded on many global stock exchanges, such as ASX in Australia. As mentioned, you can just buy it and sell it any time during the trading day. Transparency is also another important feature. So pretty much any information regarding the ETFs can be found on the manager's website, and that includes information like portfolio holdings, fees, and that type of information can be accessed anytime on the website. I do quite a lot of that, researching and trying to work out what best options are in the market. So cost effective, because ETFs either aim to simply track the performance of an index or asset class, or there's some kind of rules-based methodology. There are no built-in active management fees to be worried about, unless of course it's an active manager, and then there's typically other fees involved, but predominantly they're passive type of instruments, and yeah, quite a cheap way of investing. So I think, yeah, ETFs are a good thing to do some more research on, and I hope this little short tutorial was useful. So give me a thumbs up and a subscribe. That'd be fantastic. We'll keep pumping out some interesting content for you guys. Hopefully everyone liked it. Please leave a comment. That'd be gratefully appreciated. Always like to hear feedback from everybody. Thanks a lot, guys. Ciao, ciao.